Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learn French by Simran. In today's video, we are going to learn about one more important and basic verb of French. So let's see here. Now as you can see here, I have written on the top this word AVOIR, which means to have, and its pronunciation is avoir. Avoir, which means to have. And I have written here la conjugaison du verbe avoir, which means the conjugation of the verb avoir. Now we will conjugate this verb with the different subjects. So let's begin. Now our first subject is je. Now je is written as JE, but here we have written it je apostrophe, and because the next word, the conjugation is starting from a vowel, so we are not putting the vowel here. We are not writing two vowels here, so we have only written je apostrophe. So it will become je, which means I, and the next word, as you can see the conjugation here, AI, which means the pronunciation is A, and which means have. Now it becomes I have, and the pronunciation will be je, and A becomes J. It will be called as J, which means I have. Now our next subject is tu. As you can see here, the pronunciation tu, which the meaning is you, and as we know, it is used in informal situations, and our conjugation is a. As you can see here, a. Now A is pronounced as, the A alphabet is pronounced as A in French, and here you can see here, this is the last letter S. This will be silent, so it becomes a, and the meaning is have, so it becomes you have, which will be tu a. Now our next subject is il, which the meaning is he, and here is the pronunciation il, and the conjugation is a, only A, and it will be pronounced as a, which means have, so it becomes il a, which is he has. Now the next is elle. The meaning is she, which we are referring to the female, and it is singular, right? And it is pronounced as elle. And the conjugation is a, and the meaning is has, so it becomes elle a, she has. Our next subject is nous, which the meaning is we, and it will be pronounced as nous, and here our last letter S will not be pronounced, and the next, our conjugation is avant. It will be pronounced as avant, and its meaning is have. Now here you can see here, we will form liaison, which is to take the last letter of the first word. Now our last letter here is S, and next our next word is avant, right? And now our first word letter is what? A, which is again a vowel. So what we will do? We will form a liaison. We will link these two words, this S and A. So it will become nous, za, it will become za, and this is va. This will become va, and here the last letter, which is S, will not be pronounced. So it will be nous, za, va, which is we have, nous, za, va. Our next subject is vous, which means you, and yes, it is used in informal situations. Now till here it will be pronounced as woo. But here you can see here our last letter is S, right? And the conjugation, the first letter of the conjugated word is A, which is again a vowel. So here we will form a liaison. We will take the S and link it with A, which is a vowel. So it will become za. So what will it become? Woo, za, and this is way. As we have learnt earlier, EZ is always pronounced as A in French. So what will become? V and this A. It will become way. Woo, and we link this. It became za and way. Woo, za, way, which becomes you have. Now, our next subject is ill, and ill is used for male, as I have written here he, and I have written also they, which means it is used for male group, right, for plural. And now, and in our conjugation is o, which becomes have, which means have. Now what we will do here, as you can see here, our last letter is S, and again there is a vowel in this word. There is again, it is starting from a vowel. So we will link these two words. Now till here it became ill. IL is pronounced as ill, but we will take this S and this O, which will become zo, right? Zo plus, I have written here ON is pronounced as O, it will become zo. So together it will become il zo, il zo, which becomes they have in English. Now our last subject is L, which is referring to the female group, and it is again plural. Now as you can see here, ELLE, we pronounce it as L, right? And here it is S, the last letter, and the conjugation is here, which is again the same ONT, which will be pronounced as O, and the meaning is have. Now again we will form the liaison. We will take the last letter from the first word, and the next word, the conjugated verb, which is starting from a vowel, which is O, we will combine it. So z plus this ON is pronounced as O. Z plus O will be pronounced as zo, right? So together it will become el zo, el zo, which becomes, the meaning is they have. Thank you.